it's Sam, if you didn't get that from the intro. And don't worry, you are on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel, where she is giving me this awesome opportunity of having a weekly show to show off kind of my creative, chaotic process behind my projects. But I figured for this very first episode, I would take you guys back to my roots and show you how I got started in this creative world. I grew up in small town Michigan in the dairy industry. My grandparents' farm was only a mile away, and I was there every chance I could get. I absolutely loved to be out in the barn with the animals, but if it wasn't for my mom teaching me how to sew, crochet, tie-dye, scrapbook, literally all the crafty things, I wouldn't be where I am today. If I was working with my hands, my heart was full. From 4-H to FFA to art class, all of these things were my absolute favorite. And I would often mix the love of the two together. I ended up going to Michigan State University and majoring in animal science, but my love of crafting never stopped while I was there. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in animal science in 2015 and went on into working on a bunch of different dairy farms. And if you can guess it, I was still crafting in my free time. Eventually, this hobby turned into a side gig when I opened my Etsy shop, Shell of a Shot Boutique, in 2017, where I made ammo casing jewelry. My Etsy shop funded all of my craft hobbies when I wasn't working with my favorite cows. If I wasn't crafting, I was working. If I wasn't working, I was crafting. Then the fall of 2018 came and I found this YouTube channel called Auntie Tay, and I was convinced on getting a Cricut. I was making project after project and it caught the attention of the Auntie Tay team and they asked me to become an influencer. I was ecstatic. This was such a game changer for me. When 2020 came, obviously a lot changed. I took a huge leap of faith and I quit my full-time job in agriculture to pursue crafting full-time. And I did it months before our wedding. It all turned out amazing, and the love and support from my husband and fur babies got me through all the stressful times. Finally, my story leads me here, to working full-time for Auntie Tay. I was completely shocked by the offer, but I never turned back. I'm so excited to be the crafter extraordinaire, from woodworking to resin pieces to sewing and doing all the crafty things that I could possibly think of for you guys. It has been a dream come true. I always thought that my life would be agriculture and a little bit of crafting. Never in a million years did I think it would be the other way around. Thank you guys so much, and I cannot wait for this show. See you next week!